Hi everyone, it's SillyConeBaby, and I'm going to do Kerrigan's nighttime routine. She's getting ready to go to bed, and I got her bottle ready and her outfit that she's going to sleep in tonight. It's kind of like a sleep and play romper. And then I have her diaper picked out. It's also a little puppy dog. It's Blue's Clues. And then there's a little winter puppy on here. So I'm going to go ahead and get her changed out of her monkey theme. She's been chewing on her little sock monkey and stuff. And I'm going to just take that from her. And then I got her this new toy. It has a monkey on it. I love it because it makes this really cute sound. Clanking sound. And she loves it in her car seat. It really stimulates her senses, and she really likes to shake that and play with it. We're going to do a little bit of playing before I get her changed out of her current theme. Okay, Banjo, this is enough. Go get your toy, Banjo. But the little monkey toy has an elephant with the bananas, and then it has a lion, and little ring with a butterfly and some rattles on it. I love it. And then the rattle's inside here too. And he's real soft and plush. His tail's long and quirky. And I hang it from her car seat. But she's still in her monkey theme. I haven't done anything except for the videos I did last night. And she's getting tired, I think. I think I might go ahead and... I was going to change her first. I don't know if she's going to let me. Banjo isn't going to let me. But I have some... I mixed a little rice cereal in with her formula tonight because she doesn't get satisfied with just the formula, and at night she'll like wake up an hour later and want to eat again. So I went ahead and Banjo set off a toy in there. But she doesn't get satisfied with just formula at nighttime. So I made her some rice. And I was going to show you. I had these little owl slippers that I got a while back, but I just took the tags off of them. And then they're cute. They're little owls. And to keep her little tootsies warm, she's had those on. And we were playing, doing leg exercises and stretching her legs and stuff, and she thinks that's pretty fun. Yeah, she's so cute. Here's my cute Kerrigan. Oh, I like the monkey. Oh, Banjo likes the monkey too. But that's Kerrigan's monkey. You have a bunch of stuff. Go over there and play with your stuff, okay? Monster. Hey. Look. You hear Sissy? Go play with sissies. Let Mommy finish her video. Kerrigan, you want to play for a little bit longer? Where's your passy? I think she's spit her pacifier out. Well, let's go ahead and change her because I know she needs a changing. Take her little shoes off, and then I'm going to set up on the tripod so y'all can watch. Give me that. Oh my gosh, my life is a ADHD moment. You want to have your bottle? Okay, let Mommy change you real quick because you need a new diaper. You're soiled. And okay, change your little diaper. Where's the powder? Yep, she's just wet. put your puppy dog diaper on. I think this one I pre-powdered it. Yes. So I have to put powder on her. She's just a pretty baby. And she likes to play. Yes. Here, you want to hold something while I get you ready? Here, hold your little slipper. It's soft. You like that? Just don't put it in your mouth. Okay. Looky. Get your pajamas on. How cute they are. So I'm going to put this on her. It's long sleeve. She'll definitely stay warm in the nursery tonight. This is a newborn. Normally, I'd probably put a 0 to 3 month on her just because I've got a onesie on and she's kind of in between a newborn and 0 to 3. She's definitely not petite. I did have one of these in a 3 to 6 month. I would have put that on her, but I don't know where it is. And this one will be okay. You got brown on like mama. Yeah. Aww. Anything puppy dog. We love puppy dogs, you know. Have your bottle made, so just give me a minute. She's getting impatient. She's really, really hungry. Yes, she is. And she does not like to wait for her bottle. Her hair's getting to be a mess. Rolling around. So let this for a minute, baby. Your bottle ready. Here's your new toy. Oh, this isn't a new toy. This one we bought and it doesn't work. It's supposed to light up. It makes me mad. But they didn't have any more, so I couldn't exchange it for one that works. It makes me so mad. It was so cute. It was it's a glow worm and it's supposed to glow and light up when you push it. Anyway. Here's your Baba. Yes, here's your Baba. Oh, that's a girl. There. Aww. Get your head turned. We don't want a bunch of gas bubbles in there. In the belly. You're hungry baby, weren't you? Trying to hold her bottle. How sweet. She's a happy eater. She's always happy when she's eating. She has to try to hold it. Aww. Mommy help you. We don't want to spill it all over you. So right after this, I'm just going to lie her down in her crib and rub her back. And then I'm going to turn her over because she still sleeps on her back. So she likes me to put her to sleep, like lay her on my chest. But then when I put her in her crib, I rub her back for a little bit, and then I flip her over and cover her little waist up and tuck her in. Give her a little night kiss on the forehead, and she's out. Let mommy burp you. Come here, darling. Let mommy burp you, princess. I'm gonna do it like this because this gets all the bubbles out. Yeah. Say goodnight, sweetheart. We're going to bed. I'm going to rock her to bed and then she'll be out. Everybody have a great night. She's already passed out. How cute. She's already out like a light. Good night, Kerrigan.